Think still flash for.
Have Leandri
A
and TP
minute.
here. Maybe I just walk bot.
Things won't have flash for this fight, okay? Unless we stall it.
You can
Does that
stop
have
his
flash
base.
coming up?
Nice.
Does Gwen want to come here for this fight or no?
Her back.
I guess if it's 4v4, we should win.
No, just stay top, we can win for it.
Yeah, he can get tower too if he TPs.
I'm first on the map. I think we can look for something
I
here.
think Brand will
He's
have
facing.
flash, yeah.
I think they're gonna play top side. I'm gonna help you top. They're giving Drake. Yeah, they're definitely playing top side.
Careful top. Nice, good job.
Nice.
Wow.
Thinks we'll have flash. No. Or like very soon.
I'd be careful of Jinx ult. I don't see it anywhere though.
What the hell? Oh. Reset.
Oh.
Oh.
Wow. She actually got me.
Push bot. I want to dive bot.
Yeah.
Ice, are you okay?
Brand probably knows.
Yeah.
I'm gonna flash on him.
I have a TP in 20 by the way.
Oh, he left already?
Volibear has no TP. He took flash ignorance.
Let's just get
I
first
think-
tower actually.
I think that they're taking this right now.
Yeah, they're on Rift.
That's fine.
That's fine. We got first turret.
Look on me.
I'm looking.
Just ward to ward. You clear this one actually? Careful mid. Or channel.
I have TP for you if you get engaged on. Alright, I'm just going away.
Level 10, half blue.
Basing.
You can come and grab blue after.
Okay.
I'm gonna pass straight into top side.
I'm resetting as
They're
well.
top. They're top.
Can I grab
I'm
one
walking.
of
Do we
these?
have TP?
Yeah, I can TP.
Wait,
Yeah,
wait,
can
so
you
yeah,
now?
you wanna grab that?
Anyone, yeah. That's just it.
Oh jeez.
Yeah, that's
Oh
four
my
top. It's
fault.
good. We're good, we're good, we're good.
They can't
Does
dive.
Volley
you.
have
Here.
ulti?
Keep going, maybe.
He does.
He does? Okay. I mean, I'll
Yeah.
probably still be
Actually,
fine.
never mind. Let's just go take his bot side camp.
He's here.
Brand's
try?
here.
Yeah, I'm down.
Brand's still bot, okay. Brand right here, Lucas, if you want to look.
Yeah. Oh no, their
Oh,
whole
it's
their
not
whole team is there. Their whole team is
okay.
there.
Yeah, I'm leaving.
Kaisa,
Can
you
you
take...
shift up, Kaisa? Or no?
I need a base. I need a
Okay.
base, yeah.
Wait, you can take blue if you want to. I'm not gonna make it in time.
Dive this guy.
I have all my camps up, so I'm probably
Yeah, we
just
could
gonna
just. You can walk up.
Or you guys can like take some like my bot camps like Glenn can take, I guess. But